What's up, you guys? What's up? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day, you guys. Happy Saturday to you. It's early Saturday morning. You don't see me, but I'm here. How you guys? Today, I just wanted to come out here and make a video. I'm out here in my jammies and my white tee and my slippers. Yes, you guys, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Okay. Yes, and don't forget, click like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers if you can, okay? I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you for being here. Share the video, you guys. Leave a comment. I love getting your feedback. Thank you so much, you guys. All right, today we're going to be talking about how to prune your big boy tomato. Now, this tomato here, you can see it, has gotten out of control just that fast. I mean, you guys, I come out here one day and it's like humongous. And it's in the raised bed. And what you don't want to happen is, like all these leaves that are on the ground, you want to get rid of those. Start at the bottom and work your way up. I'm trying to get the camera in the ground with me, you guys. So what I'm going to do is, we're trying to run this straight up the mother stem. If you get down here, this is the mother stem. The one that's coming straight from the ground. And we want to get all the excess and the suckers off. Okay? So literally, we're about to chop this baby up. But don't be discouraged. Don't be discouraged. Because all will not be lost. So you just want to start at the bottom. All the way down here. See these? We have to get rid of, you guys. Everything at the bottom has to go because it's on the ground. It's picking up fungus, diseases, all types of things. So we have to get rid of all this stuff at the bottom. Yes, we want our plant to thrive. Let's get rid of all this down here. Yep. Even this plant here, which has started making another plant, which was a sucker. Suckers make their own entire plant. But don't toss these in the trash. Okay? Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And then there's two types of leaves on your tomatoes. You have your sun leaves, and then you have your flowering leaves. And you can tell the difference because the sun leaves just look like big leaves versus the leaves that have the tomatoes on them, which are a little smaller and a lot more of them. This is a sun leaf, and then these are the tomato leaves. Okay, so we cleared our bottom portion off. So now this plant can breathe. It can get some air. There's another sucker here. Okay. And this is a big boy tomato. So now, I'm just going to take our elastic, like I showed you, some elastic material. Cut us a piece off. And we're going to stake, I keep saying stalk. We're going to stake this to this pole. Start right here. Let me move the camera up. Okay. So I'm going to take this and stake it to the pole. Just like that. Then I'm going to come up a little further. a little bit further. I'm gonna stake this piece up here because this thing is going wild, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get these up here while the plant is still a little small, because eventually I'll probably have to use 2 stakes. Just like that, you guys. Can you see that? So now this plant has space, air flow to grow and produce, and none of the leaves are on the ground. This is one of our cherries, and she's just really doing her thing over here, you guys. This is one of our cherry tomatoes, and she's just flowering everywhere. So yeah, that's how you're gonna stake this big boy tomato. And it looks a little wilted right now, but she'll bounce back when the sun comes up. And I still want to go in and clean her up just a little bit, make sure there's no suckers. See, there's one right there. You want to get that off of there. Now, you guys, these baby pieces, I'm just picking up a few that we just cut off. All is not lost, you guys. Remember, the tomato is full of roots. All those tiny hairs, that's all they are, roots. Roots. So, what just happened here is we just went to our own store on the Skinny Boy Farms and got us some free tomatoes. Okay. Free big boy tomatoes from a tomato. When you get these ones that have gone like this, just take them. Let's come over here. I love you guys. How you doing? We're going to add them to this bed. And you simply just want to dig a hole deeper now. And sit this all the way down in there. All the way down to there. So all those roots can latch on. Okay? And we're going to follow this tomato. We're going to put another one right here beside it. Dig deep. And get it all the way down to about right there. I'm just going to take one of my little bricks here just to keep the leaves off the ground and set my leaves up like that. That way they're not directly on the ground. Okay? I'm going to do the same with this one. Just put the leaves off the ground until they stand back up, and then they won't be on the ground. Just get you something and place your leaves up. Like so. And we are re-rooting our big boy tomatoes from one of our tomato plants, you guys. And there you have it. I did that one yesterday, and it's doing well. And if you have your little tomatoes like this one, you just want to come in, start at the bottom. I'm just getting off work, you guys. I had to work all week. Well, I'm not just getting off today, but this is my first day off. So I want to go in and get the suckers out of the corners. A lot of these have no purpose down here but to suck up energy. So you can always clean your bottom layer. Just like that. There you go. Get your suckers out. And that tomato is doing well. Come down here, do the same. Clean the bottoms. so they don't pick up fungus. See that yellow stuff? I'm gonna clean this off so it doesn't spread up your tomato. Yep, catch the suckers. We're gonna take this whole bottom piece off here. We'll leave that one. Yeah. And there you have it, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. I trimmed this one up yesterday as well. I love you guys. You are the best. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You guys share the video. I love you. You're the best.